Hello everyone, Ross is here again and we'll make a complete guide how to install Google Mobile Services on your Huawei P40 Pro. Let's start! Alright, this is P40 Pro. Before we start, make a backup of everything that you can. Install Google Mobile Services on our device. We'll need to make two downgrades. First from EMUI 11 to latest EMUI 10, and after that we'll downgrade again to EMUI 10, which will support LZ Play application, which we are using for install Google services. Here is the app. Let's open it now, and this message means that this device is not supported. Alright, let's check the version, settings, about phone, and you can see this is the latest EMUI build for Huawei P40 Pro 175. And now to downgrade to latest EMUI 10, we'll need a computer and HiSuite installed on it. Remember, to downgrade from Android 11 to Android 10, we'll need the latest HiSuite installed on our computer. Alright, let's connect the phone and do the work. After you select update and HiSuite is showing you are now using the latest official version, select switch to other version. And here it is. This is the latest EMUI 10 for P40 Pro. Let's install it or restore. Alright guys, we are ready with the first downgrade. Now we'll need to make the second one. Let's go just to settings, scroll down, about phone, and build number is now EMUI 10.1, and this is the latest update for this phone for EMUI 10.1. Alright, for the next step or the second downgrade, we'll need a USB connector, USB-C to USB-A, and a USB flash drive. And it's important to format your USB flash drive as NTFS partition, other way it will not work, so format it in NTFS partition. When you are ready with the format, you can download your firmware. For the second downgrade, we'll use a dload method. Why? Because it's safer, it's easier, it's faster. Of course you can downgrade via HiSuite proxy, but it's a little bit dangerous and you can break your phone. All the firmwares I will try to upload them and will put the links in video description. Guys, here you need to remember, after the build number of your phone in the brackets there is a number C432. It's here, but it may be C181 or other numbers. That's the region of your phone. Always download a proper firmware with the same region number. Remember that, it's important. Alright, I already download the firmware for my phone, format my USB drive in NTFS partition, copy my firmware from phone or computer to my USB flash drive, and now let's do the following. Just plug the USB flash drive in your phone. Alright, here we are, ready. Let's go to our home screen and dial the following number. Here select software upgrade, memory card upgrade, and when you ask this, just tap OK. The phone will restart and start downgrading your firmware. Remember to copy your firmware in the root directory of your USB flash drive. Other method is just to turn off the phone and after that boot with a volume combination in recovery, and from there select memory card upgrade and do the same. Alright, I will tap OK. Alright, after the second downgrade, let's check the software version. Settings, about phone, and build number now is 121. And with this version we can install Google services on our Huawei device. And the easiest method to do this is by using Google Fire from vendor 007. Alright, let's just download the APK and install it. Alright, APK is downloaded, let's just install. Alright guys, we are in Google Fire. Let's just install everything and follow the on-screen instructions. Be careful, read everything and also follow my guide. Let's start. Alright guys, finally our Google services are installed on P40 Pro. This time it takes lots of efforts, just be patient and don't give up. I try fix button maybe 6 times, also twice I redo the whole thing, restart the phone and everything, maybe a half an hour, but remember, don't give up, just be patient, it will work at the end. So that's it. Now Google Play services are working on our Huawei phone. And now guys, I just can suggest you, open Play Store and search for Chrome, install it. When it's ready, just open the Chrome and from here search for Google Play services. Scroll down and tap here on the Play Store link and just update them. Alright, now Google Play services are updated to our phone and we can start using it. And let's go to settings and you can see we have a notification for pending update. Now there is a new version and phone will be updated to latest version of EMUI 10. After that, update for EMUI 11 will appear. If this not happen, just hold the power button, select power off, and when the phone is power off, just hold volume up and power button. When Huawei logo appears, you can release the power button and continue holding volume up button until recovery menu is appeared. Alright, we are now at the recovery menu of our phone. From here you can select just update mode, e-recovery mode, update and recover system. Select it, select download, update and recover. It will enable the Wi-Fi, will connect to your Wi-Fi. Here it is. And here it is, update will appear and will start downloading and install to your device. That's it guys, we are already done with Google services on our Huawei P40 Pro. Don't forget, if this video helps you, just subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you and have a nice day.